This switch is damaged. It is one button but can be used as two switches. However, today I will show how to recycle any damaged combined switch. Neither pole of the switch is on, or turns on the circuit. Lightly press the side of the switch button to lift it upwards. See how I did it? Its inner metal seats rest on a lever. These metal seats sometimes slide off the lever, causing the switch to stop working. Everything will be seen in today's video. The plastic pins on the spring of this switch have melted from the switching heat. That's why it's not working properly. I will skip this plastic pin and use metal pin. I took 2 plug pins. Now mark the 2 pins. I took a metal part across for cutting convenience. Be careful when working with an angle grinder. I cut out the marked part with an angle grinder and smoothed it over the top like a plastic pin. After doing this, it must be checked whether the plastic of the switch enters the hole of the button. Set up the spring with new metal pins. I put the pin in the hole of the plastic button with a little lubricating. Now I put the inner metal seats on the lever properly. Fix the plastic button with a little pressure. The switch turns on and off very naturally. Now it is being verified. Yes, it is now usable. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.